Takeoff.
Okay. Let's go to Timberland and do some hyperlapse.
Point updated.
Okay. Good. Okay, bago nyan, ikot muna tayo. Okay, this is C6 and this is the view from here in San Mateo, and this is the Metro Manila. And this is Montalban and San Mateo. Okay? And then ito ang ating punteriya. Today, mag-hyperlapse tayo dito. Okay? Move tayo dito banda sa gilid. Dito tayo banda, mag-move. Okay. Yan. Okay, hyperlapse tayo. Taas pa konti. Yan. Hyperlapse. Okay. Circular tayo. Move lang konti. And then baba konti. Medyo mataas tayo eh. Okay. Let's do some 10 seconds hyperlapse. Balik muna natin sa video mode dahil masyado tayong mataas. Yan. Yan. Then hyperlapse for, let's just do some 12 seconds hyperlapse and 3 seconds interval and maximum speed of, let's do 2.0 meters per second, and let's select this. Up muna yan, I don't want to include that. Dito lang tayo. Medyo ano na yan. Yan, hanggang dito lang. Wait lang. Ganun lang. Ulit. Very good. Okay.
Hyperlapse is ready to complete.
Very good. 3 shots more. And then tapos na ang hyperlapse natin. And then, uwi na tayo.
Video created successfully.
Very good. Okay. So, nandito siya ngayon. Ayan siya ngayon. So, uwi na tayo. Video mode na tayo.
Return to home.
Turn to home na. Ayan ang speed niya. So, 10 meters per second. From the distance of around 800 plus meters. Altitude 169 meters. Ayan, tawid na sa C6. Very good. Okay. Minutes.
Why is this what the reason? That's right. Is that the best?
Ayun. Ayun na. Yung dalawang isip ka pa, just sit down over there. Para because the drone is going to land.
Landing.
Very good. Hello. Very good. Marunong ka na umuwi.